Now, first, what I need to do, close all tabs, go to solution, take the controller, okay, and right click, collapse. Here you go and create a edit. Okay. In the edit, this is the action method. Everybody clear? In this action method, I'm going to use a route edit slash product ID. And then I'm going to use a get method. Okay. And then I'm going to create a return view. To associate this view, I need to create a view folder containing view under product. Right now, I have created an index. So what I can do is right click, add view, razor empty. No layout, just add. What will happen? It will create an HTML file for you. See, the file has been created like this. Okay, you don't need a layout. You don't need a doc type HTML. The body, you simply say H1 edit.
I had that highlights comfort on Mini. So I've completed that. So I need a new task.
I didn't get you. Like you've completed all three, or just the highlights?
Just the notification part.
Notification part. I didn't understand.
Okay. Sorry, I think he is attending a status call. Fine. So now if you come here, when you click edit product is working, you see here, it will fire this one and it will call the edit product. Why? Because how the association will happen is in your index.cshtml, you come down, you see there is a specification saying that this is the action we need to create. You all understand this one? How you are associating your action method to the view. Your action method will be associated with the tag helper ASP_ASP-controller is equal to product, ASP-action equal to edit, ASP-route-product equal to this one, product ID. If you pass that product ID will come here. Now done with this. Anybody have any questions so far? Anybody have any questions? Come on, guys, you need to speak. Hello. There are
Show
7
me the
people in the
action
group.
method once again.
Come again.
Action method, show me.
This is your action method.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
Can I continue?
Yeah.
Thanks. So now, the moment I receive the action method, I need to build my product model. So what I will do is go to my service layer. In the service layer, you see there is an edit method. Get product by ID. You see, this is the product ID. What I did is I pass a product ID to get the list of product. If the product is not null, I'm going to update my product update model. That update model will be returned back to my view. So to call this here, product update model equal to this dot underscore product service dot get product by ID, where I'm passing my product ID. Okay. The moment I pass the product ID, this product update model will comes to me. That model, I'm going to pass it to the view as a model binding. Sorry, got my point. Whenever you are passing a data as a product into the view, this will be called it as a static binding or model binding. Do you have any questions on this code? Anybody have any questions? I'm not doing anything. I'm simply calling this. Before calling this, I'm going to call if product ID equal to 0, return redirect to action. I'm going to call the index method. If product ID is 0, I need to pass the redirection to action because my product ID is 0. So that I have to go for my list. This is the basic example before you need to call the product model. Now put a breakpoint. I'm trying to run it. Now you see here, there is a edit. When you click on edit, see this action method is fired or not? Everybody. Guys, please unmute and talk. Maniganda, Judy, Gopal,
Sir, yes, sir.
please unmute and talk. Whether you are able to understand or not, I'm not sure. And then if you come here, you see the product ID is not equal to 0. So that it is coming here. And then it is calling a service method where you get the product ID. Now the product model will get the product. Now you see, I received a product from the data. The product, whatever things are there, I'm received from the database. I got the image file, I got the product name, I got the product cost, I got the GST, I got everything, I got it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass that product in the update model. I'm appending that update model. And then update model will call that particular view. Now you see the view is having everything except the product file is null. And then continue. Now you got the data, but it is not showing in the view. So let us build the view. How to build the view is, first thing is view class container. div class row. Here div class h1 and say edit product. Okay, that is my first thing. And then every row I need to create a product. How I will do the create a product? Div class equal to row. This is my entire row. In this row, I need to take a small thing. Let me go back, open the create. Yeah, before I take that row, I'm going to take this one, form data. I'll tell you what is the purpose of form data in the last class. You just go through it. Form data. This form method will, whenever you upload an image or file with the help of post method, with the help of multi-form data, this will work. Now come back here, take this one, create a form row within this, and then make MB4. What is the purpose of MB4? Margin bottom. MB4 is used for margin bottom. Okay, in the margin bottom, you are going to use a label class call sm-4. Okay, and say product name. Okay, and then here I'm going to use a div class call sm-8. You see here, call sm-form, call sm-6. Okay, so now I'm going to use sm-6. I'm saying in a row, there are 12 columns in Bootstrap. Out of 12 columns, 4 for the label and 6 for the text, which you are going to display. Now, after doing that, I'm taking this input type and span. I'm pasting here. Here the beauty is, you are saying your input type is a form control and product name is SP. And any validation is needed, product name will comes into text changer. But I need to associate this ASP for with the label. I'm copying this entire stuff, paste it here. Do you all understand? Say yes or no. Guys,
Yes, sir.
say yes or no. Everybody, you all understand Amar, Venkat, Gopi, Judy, Sami?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Ganesh,
Yes, I got it.
Doubt I had with power control.
Sandeep, Venkat, I asked me. Now, what you need to do is, sir, I am retrieving the data from the database. Here I need to get a model. So I'm going to use since it's a razor syntax, you have to use this using model, product model namespace. And then here I'm going to use model product update model is my class. Because this is the class you are going to use here. And then value equal to not in the label, sorry. In the text box, you need to add one more property because the value should come from here. value property equal to at model dot product name. Now you see simply whatever the data I'm receiving, I'm going to generate this one. Let me build it. When you click on edit, continue, you see I got the Vivo. You got the Vivo data? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But whatever the bootstrap I applied is not applied. What is the reason? Can anyone tell me what is the issue? I know the issue. I want you to tell me the issue. What is the
Yeah,
issue?
we need to add the link file.
Bootstrap link.
Yes.
Here, link, href,
Lib,
lib,
Twitter bootstrap.
okay? Now you see, you got the products, you got product name, you got product, everything, you got it, right? See, the moment you click on this, it automatically comes to here. Like that, you have to prepare. But if you go back in the edit, just make this as instead of 6, you can make it as 4 because I don't want this much big so that the text box will be span across it. Now, copy this entire stuff, paste it. Then what is the next thing we need to use? Product cost, right?
Yes.
Hold on a second. Done. Now go back to the edit here. Take this description. Go to edit here. Add here as a description. Okay. Now I got the add description. Now what is the next thing I have? I have product image. But here you need to add a value. How to bind text area? Okay, leave it. Here you got the
No, sir.
product.
Write the model only value. I have done that one.
Here
The
value
value
dot product cost. Okay, done. This text area only I'm not sure what to do. I'm actually add a code.
No, sir. You can add that code, sir. Same thing you can add, sir. I think.
Value is not working.
Yeah.
But for me,
For me also working, sir.
It is going up. You meant to say simply value?
Value is model.
I don't think. Let's see. Cool. Edit. Update. See, it is coming. Only here the problem. Text is there, but it is not showing the text value. Text is not updated. Anyway, leave it. We'll see that one tomorrow. I don't want to waste the time. Okay, now I'm copying this entire div. Go to edit and paste here. And then I can say
And we will remove that databases.
update. Okay. Not update, simply say edit. And then ASP hyphen route hyphen product ID equal to add model dot product ID. Save it. Now go back to the edit. Just press F10. Got the model and displayed everything. See here, you got the submit and reset. You got everything has been added here. But sir, I want to display the older image here. How to do that? Simply go to my edit. Here, div class row mb-4. Here I'm going to use a label class call -sm-4 sm-4, and then I can simply say product image. This is the one, and then img div class call -sm-6. Here I'm going to use img src is equal to product image at model dot product file name alt equal to at model dot product name. Okay, everybody clear? You understand this one? Please say yes or no. Say I'll be more active when you say yes, or
Yes.
Preeti, Ganesh, Mailsami. There are a lot of people. I'm so happy today. You have to tell me yes or no.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So now uploaded the image. Now go back. Okay. Click on edit. Now you see here, I got the image. See, you got the image here. Everybody can able to see this.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes.
got the image. So this is the image I'm going to change. But the image size is very big. Now I want to decrease that image size. What to do? What
You
to do?
need to apply the CSS.
Update class.
Sir, apply the ID. Not
Yeah, I
once.
know. 1 second. Come. In the index, I applied, right? Let go. Take this load image. What? Something wrong in my laptop. Sometimes it is happening. Copy this. Go to edit. Here, paste. But this should come under a tag called style. I'll tell you why I'm using the same name, because tomorrow I'm going to plan for layout pages. Okay, when I use a layout, it should not affect my code. And I'm going to use tab, so that again tab, copy this tab, come down. Here I say this, here I say ID. What will happen now? See. Now click on edit, run it. You got it? Everybody clear? Say yes,
Sir,
or
can
no.
you? Yeah, sir. Can you please go edit product description code? Give me 1 second.
Yeah.
Little bit above, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, tell me.
1 second, sir.
I think there is a change in the class.
Type text. Okay. Value binder.
There is a class actually we need to apply. I forgot that class name. That's why I said I will do it tomorrow.
But for me, it is work. I did the same thing only. Class equal to form controller only.
But sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not. Oh my God. No.
Plain text.
Plain text is something different. Okay, leave it. Don't disturb right now. Let it be. We don't want to lose the time. Okay, we'll do it tomorrow. Don't worry. Now what happened? The moment I click on submit, go back. Moment when I click on submit, the same button will come. Okay, edit button, product model ID, everything will be there. Now to associate, what you need to do here is copy the same structure of this. Okay, copy the entire structure and paste it here. No, instead of get, you simply say HTTP post. That's all. You are not going to do anything. You are simply posting, and then here you need to pass product update model. Product update model is the structure, and then return redirect to action of simply say index. After successful update, this should be redirected. Now you go here, put a breakpoint, run it. Pradeep, Sandeep, you understand? I think Sandeep, you are in
Yeah, I
mute.
got it.
What about Amar, Ganesh, Judy, Manikanda?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, understand.
Yogananda Nagendra, new to this. Venkata Yasavi. Now if you say F5, it is loaded. Now I'm putting a Vivo. I'm simply say Vivo description, something like that. And then I'm choosing a file, something like this video. Moment I submit, this should fire. We'll see whether it is firing or not. See, it's fired or not. I got a product ID. Everything is
Yeah.
there.
On Friday also same thing.
Tag helper.
Come again?
Tag helper, sir.
Ah, fine. Tag helper. Sorry, thanks, man. You need to add this tag helper. Why failed?
In last you can give the comma.
Semicolon, it is not comma.
Sorry. Yeah.
Click on edit and Vivo description. Value. Change the photo. Man, what is this?
That
Sir, can you
is
in
not
route can you please remove the product ID, sir? That it are not required, sir.
No, it is required earlier. It will not fire if you don't have a product ID. Something wrong here. No, it will not work here. Product ID is mandate. See?
But how it is working for me, sir? I'm not sure. I'm unable to understand also. I did same thing only. It's working. I did everything update. Database also it is updating everything for me.
That's the problem.
Simply I did the small code only.
Even for me, it is working in another project. I will show you. This project, it is not working. I really don't understand from the day before yesterday onwards. See, this is the one best store. It is working for me. I did when I do my R&D, I did this. It was working fine for me. Sometimes something is not in your control. You see here, edit. This was done by me only. Oh, super, super, super. I can use this one.
You already tried that one also.
We'll see, we'll see, we'll see, we'll see.
Sure, definitely.
Okay. Let's go back. See. If this works, we can stop it. Update functionality will work on tomorrow. That is the idea behind it. I do one thing. Instead of product update, let me go and use the product add model. Again, this will change. Can I tell this one tomorrow if you everybody okay? Guys,
Yes, sir.
can I make some R&D on this? I don't know why it is not happening. I will look into
Sure.
it and I'll come back. Okay?
Okay.
Finish.
Okay.
Judy, Preeti, Sandeep. Guys, please tell me yes or no so that I can move forward.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Bye. Ganesh, if you're free, can you call me if you don't mind?
Sure.
Oh, thank you all. Have a great day. Bye.